Hello, hi, and welcome back to my channel Swati Bachanagoni. Uh,
Neta,
Today I'm going to show you the diagram that is transfer section of a leaf. Okay, I think you all know that TS of a leaf. This TS full form is called transfer section. Okay, see, to draw this transfer section of leaf, the children feel somewhat difficult. So in how to draw this diagram in a simple way, I'm going to show you now. Okay, see, I'm taking some space here because to write the labeling parts. Just you draw lightly two lines, okay? And down also you have to take down two lines. The upper part and this both the parts should be equal, okay? Next, in middle of that, see here, here and here. In the middle part, just you take some round shape, okay? Don't draw darken because if you draw that, again we need to rub the diagram. Don't use more scales, pencils, this all diagrams. If you are drawing it, it should be fineless. No need of drawing, rubbing it twicely, thricely, like this. Okay, see, this is called the upper epidermis. I am drawing this upper epidermis. See, above the upper epidermis will have cuticle. Okay, this part is called as cuticle. Okay, I am writing the parts also. Cuticle, and this is called upper epidermis. Next, down part, you have to give some space here because here you will get guard cell and also stomata. Okay, guard cell you have to draw it like this, and you have to continue like this. Next, again here you have to give some space, and here also draw the guard cell and stomata. Here also we have to draw the cuticle. Okay, like this. So this part is called as, here upper side is called upper and lower side is called lower epidermis. Okay, and this is called as guard cell, guard cell, and this part is called as stomata. Okay, next, the remaining is what? See, draw some arc like structure here and here. Don't draw more. Okay, now see, middle part we'll draw first. You should draw some irregular shape like this. Okay, draw like this irregular shape, and okay, this much is enough, and this is called as what? Xylem. Okay, this is called xylem, sorry. Next, in this only down we have to draw phloem. Okay, these are called as phloem. Okay, it should be there somewhat U-shaped structure. Now we have to draw upper like this. Next, inside of this you darken some square like structures. Draw square like structures inside of this. Otherwise you can draw the triangle shape like this. Okay, different shapes you have to draw it. So the middle part is also completed. Now I'll write this afterwards. Okay, now we have to draw the palisade parenchyma. See the structure first, like this. It should be touch. Okay, how you can draw the structure, but it should be in a like this. Okay, and the second also you have to draw. Okay, see here, now I'm going to draw the spongy parenchyma. It will also in the same shape only, but we are calling that as a like this. See here, you can draw in middle of this like this. Okay, so this. Now see, for this we have to keep the dots. If you keep neatly, okay, like this, then the diagram looks very attractive. Okay, like this. Don't forget that if in exam, if they are giving ts of a leaf, that is nothing but transfer section of a leaf. Okay, most of the children are doing mistake that what is the meaning of the ts. They know only this diagram, but what is the meaning of transfer section? They think that it's a different diagram. So ts or transfer section of leaf is both is same. Okay, don't confuse over there. Also, this diagram is very important. Okay, it came so many times, and it is very easy because the parts are very easy. You can draw it in a less time, and it looks very good. Okay, you have to do it fast. Now see. Okay, now we'll write down the parts. This is called palisade parenchyma. Okay, this is called as spongy parenchyma. Okay, next, inside of this is called as xylem. Okay, and these bubbles are called as phloem, and this space is called as air space. Okay, once you see the picture now, see, so this is the picture. It is ts of a leaf. Okay, and thanks for supporting me, and still who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and support me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll come in the next video with new diagram. Thank you so much.